Master the melody. Tag questions in English. Hello there, language learners. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of tag questions in English. You've probably come across these before, even if you didn't know what they were called. Examples are sentences like, "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" Or, "This is fun, isn't it?" These little phrases at the end are what we call tag questions. And the secret to using them like a native speaker? It's all about the pronunciation and intonation. To begin, let's review the basics of tag questions. These are short questions that we attach, or tag, onto the end of statements. They're used to confirm information or to check something with the person we're speaking to. The key is that the tag question should be the opposite of the main sentence. So, if your statement is positive, your tag question should be negative, and vice versa. Here's where it gets really interesting. The way you say a tag question changes its meaning. If you expect the answer to be, yes, you use a falling intonation. Your voice goes down, like in, "You're coming to the party, aren't you?" On the other hand, if you're not sure of the answer, you use a rising intonation. Your voice goes up, like in, "This is fun, isn't it?" To get the hang of this, let's try some examples. 1. "He's your brother, isn't he?" Falling intonation. 2. "It's going to rain, isn't it?" Rising intonation. 3. "She can't swim, can she?" Rising intonation. 4. "They didn't leave, did they?" Falling intonation. Now that we've covered the basics and seen some examples, it's time for you to practice. Here are some sentences for you to try out. Remember to focus on your intonation. 1. "This is your first time in London, isn't it?" 2. "They won't be late, will they?" 3. "You haven't met her before, have you?" 4. "He does play football, doesn't he?" Great job on mastering the pronunciation and intonation of tag questions. With practice, you'll be able to use them naturally in conversation, just like a native speaker. Remember, language learning is a journey, so take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.